Hi, welcome back to my channel. Here's another new code. Watch out and take care. The beautiful Miyu Imai. Code JUR640. Released on February 24, 2026. And it has 160 minutes watch time. The story is about father-in-law and his daughter-in-law. The couple was having a hard time producing a junior. Apparently, the old guy noticed the couple was having a problem. So the old guy wants to have a successor on his company because his son doesn't want to inherit his company. So the next day, when her husband went out for work, leaving the girl and the old guy at home. So later on, the old guy talked to the girl and the old guy cannot wait any longer to have a successor on his company. So the old guy makes a move. They spent quality time together and the wonderful story begun. Make sure to subscribe and like and turn on notification for new codes. Thank you for watching.